Crypto airdrops are not paying anymore like before. Everyone is panicking in the market, and a lot of people have stopped mining airdrop, which means if you are talking about airdrops online these days, it's very hard for you to get engagement on your social media. Do you know why? Because airdrops are not paying anymore. And if you remember the during time of hamster combat, Notcoin and other dogs like other tokens, right? Other airdrops. That time if you post one video, immediately you will see views. The only videos that are making sense right now to people is Sidra, because Sidra is about to list their token and a lot of people are yet to get verified on KYC. But that is not the reason I'm making this video. The reason I'm making this video is for those that's already giving up on airdrop, right? If you have already given up on airdrop, make sure you stick till the end of this video, because this video will provide information that you can be able to earn online even without doing airdrops. So in this Web3 space, there's a lot of things to do, but if you don't have the update, it's going to be very hard for you to understand how it works. But most times doing research will help you to meet up in this Web3 space. Now, I want you to know that Web3 has different jobs that you can perform on a daily. Maybe you can use maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour and get paid every month, right? Or let me say every week. If you are working on this Web3, if you are performing their tasks on a daily, they are going to pay you weekly. And one thing you don't know is that getting these Web3 jobs is not that hard. But the problem is that who is going to give you the update, and which is the reason why I am here. I want you guys to understand that sharing updates will help jobs to get recognized, right, in this Web3. But if you are not sharing updates, maybe you are someone that have update that is paying you and you are not sharing it to your community. That's very, very bad. But for me, I cannot keep any update for myself. Any update I have, I'll share it with my community so that we all grow together, right? And also I want you guys to know, if we lose together. Not only if we are earning together. So this Web3 job, for you to enroll, you chat me on the WhatsApp number I'm going to drop. I'm going to give you a group link where we'll be doing a little training on how you can be able to get into these Web3 jobs and start working immediately, right? You start working immediately. After submitting all your necessary information, they are going to hire you, and there's some company that will hire you to work for them. So if you know that you are really interested in these Web3 jobs, make sure you chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to give you a group link where we will join and do a little training, and then we submit our information to this company and see how they are going to offer us a chance to work with them and get paid. If you know you are interested, make sure you chat me up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification button so that whenever I post any update about these Web3 jobs, you will be able to get notified immediately. Now about Sidra, a lot of people are asking me, bro, what is going on Sidra? They say that you have to go to one company or another for you to be able to verify your Sidra account. I always advise you guys, the last video I made, I told you guys that if your KYC is not verified, the only thing you need to do is to make sure that at least you get some Sidra token even before the listing date. So if you know you are one of those people that are yet to get verified, make sure you buy some Sidra tokens and keep for the future. During Pi network, that is how we face the same problem. Even till now, my Pi is yet to be migrated. My Pi token are not migrated yet, and I'm expecting maybe if they migrate it, I will be able to withdraw my coins, right? But that's how airdrops always do and all of that. So if you know you're facing problem, the only solution you need is to buy some tokens and sell, so that whenever they list those tokens, you will be able to earn massive profit. And like I said, if you're interested in these Web3 jobs, make sure you hit me up, and I'm going to give you all the direction you need to enroll immediately and start working as a crypto enthusiast. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.